So we're looking at this fine piece of machinery, a 2003 F550 6.0 diesel 4x4 dump truck. It's in pretty good shape, under 100K. Cab is solid. The dump bed, as you see, does have some slight corrosion. Slight by meaning it's rusted severely. But fully functional, goes down the road good for what it is. And if you're looking for a budget-friendly dump truck, heavy-duty dump truck, this could be a great one to consider. Thanks for looking. Please remember to like and subscribe, and you have a great rest of your day. Good morning. So today we're driving something that is definitely not a good commuter or student car. That's a 2003 F550 4x4 dump truck with a 6.0 diesel. It is a strong running 6.0 with 99,000 miles on it. There is a pretty decent amount of service history with it. It takes a little bit to get it cranked, but once it starts and runs very strong. You'll see the dump box needs a bit of work, but it's fully functional. It's basically a great vehicle for someone who needs a commercial use dump truck and does not want to break the bank. We're gonna get on it a little bit here so you can hear the motor. 4x4 works great. I think the turbo was replaced. Definitely accelerates very well for a vehicle like this. So if you're looking for something like this is definitely a great one to consider. Please remember to like and subscribe so you can see all the great stuff we have coming up. We really appreciate you doing so. And if you have any questions, just let us know. Thanks for looking.